Just going to make a quick update video for the door cards on the Apache. Normally they have a nice big metal plate that comes around, wraps around here, and when you change to the Altman style door catches, oh, that's actually loose. Okay, we'll tighten that up. When you change to the Altman style door catches, you have to effectively bolt on the second plate. So they tell you to use a couple of holes there, and they give you about 4 holes through there. So you're effectively bolting on a plate of steel onto a plate of steel onto a steel door. Yes, it rattles. So, in my infinite wisdom, I decided to pull it all apart and make it somewhat more solid. So, on the inside here, so on the main frame effectively, this used to be one whole panel. There it is there. So what I did is I cut about 10mm in from the swage line. There's a swage line top and bottom. I cut 10mm in from that, made out giant holes to stop the metal from rattling, and then effectively spot welded the outer plate on to the main door card, which will stop it from rattling, which it does. Even with the 5 bolts, it's still rattled. Now there is 0 rattle. I just need to tidy up a couple of bits around here where the weld has come through a little bit, raised a little bit. But other than that, it's now one piece rattling onto one door. And what I plan to do is probably put either some single-sided foam or something around this, and then run strips through here and just here, just to set the metal apart so that the metal can't rattle. And yeah, at the moment I'm just painting the inside to go against that because I don't want it to rust, and then I will work on the 2 outsides of the door frames probably when I sort out painting the insides of the door, so that all of this will get repainted and all of this will get repainted in one hit, and I've just rattle canned underneath here to stop that from rusting once I mount that. So slight update on the door pods. I did come up with another solution where I only used this 1/2, but there was a bit too much flex in here when you were pushing and twisting because it didn't have the rigidity of the bend. It was only on a single panel. So yeah, I do advise welding or spot welding all of these like I have, because it's going to make it a lot quieter when you fit the Altman style door catches in your truck.